Good morning all of you my dear student. Today now we are going to discuss about second PUC biology subject oogenesis. Oogenesis. What is oogenesis? The process of formation of mature female gametes is called oogenesis. The process of formation of mature female gamete. Formation of mature female gamete. The process of formation of mature female gamete is called oogenesis. Isn't it? So this is the definition of oogenesis. Then now we are going to discuss about oogenesis, process of oogenesis. So first, it is initiated during the embryonic stage. It is initiated during the embryonic stage, when a couple of million gametes, mother cell, are formed within each fetal ovary. When a couple of million gamete mother cell, million gamete mother cell are formed within each fetal ovary. Then next, no more oogonia are formed and added after birth. No more oogonia are formed and added birth. The oogonial cells starts division and enters into the prophase first of meiotic division and get a temporary arrested at the stage. That one is known as a primary oocyte. The oogonial cell starts division, enters into the prophase first of the meiotic division and get a temporary arrested at the stage. So that stage is known as primary oocyte stage. Then primary oocytes are covered by the granular cells. Primary oocytes are covered with a granular cells, which is called primary follicle. primary follicle, which is called primary follicle. Then next, a large number of follicles degenerated during the phase from birth to the puberty. A large number of follicles are degenerate. Follicles are degenerate. Follicles are degenerate at the during the phase of birth to during the phase of birth to puberty or puberty. Then next, at the puberty, only 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in each ovary. पॉवर्टी इसका मीनिंग ये होता है 11 से 12 साल तक यह स्टेज स्टार्ट्स होता है. एट द पॉवर्टी ओनली 60 to 80,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in each ovary. Then next, the primary follicles surrounded by more layers of the granulosa and new theca cells. That one is known as secondary follicles. That one is known as secondary follicle. That one is known as a secondary follicles. The germ granulosa and new theca cells. Those theca cells are having a internal theca cells and outer theca cells. Then secondary follicle transfer into the tertiary follicle. Secondary follicles are transfer into the tertiary follicle. Secondary follicles are transferred into the tertiary follicles which have fluid filled cavity. That one is known as antrum. That one is known as antrum. What is antrum? At the stage of secondary follicles is transferred into the tertiary follicles which have fluid filled with the cavity. That one is known as a antrum. Then next, at the stage of primary oocyte grow in a size and complete its first meiotic division. Complete meiotic division. Meiotic division. Then next, produce a large number of haploid secondary oocyte. Produce a haploid secondary oocyte. Then next, it is changed into the Graafian follicle, rupture into the release of secondary ovules from the ovum. So these all are the aspects are having in a oogenesis. So what is oogenesis? The process of formation of mature female gamete is called oogenesis. It is initiated during the embryonic stage when a couple of million gamete mother cells are formed within each fetal ovary. No more oogonia are formed and added after the birth. First, the oogonial cell starts division and enters into the prophase first of meiosis division and get temporarily arrested at the stage. That stage is known as primary stage. That stage is known as a primary stage. Then primary oocytes covers with the granular cell. So, granular cell, which is called primary follicles, a large number of follicles are degenerating. A large number of follicles are degenerating during the phase from birth to puberty. At the puberty, only 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in each ovary. The primary follicle, next, the primary follicles are surrounded by the more layers of granulosa and theca cells. Theca cells are two type theca cells are having in a primary follicles. These are the internal theca and outer theca. So that one is known as a secondary follicles. Then secondary follicles transfer into the tertiary follicle, which have fluids filled cavity. That one is known as antrum, isn't it? What is antrum? At the stage of primary oocyte or secondary follicles are transferred into the tertiary follicles, which have fluid filled cavity. That one is known as antrum. Then at the stage of primary oocyte grow in a size, complete its first meiotic divisions and then produce a large number of haploid secondary oocyte. It is changed into the Graafian follicle, ruptures to release the secondary oocyte from the ovum. So this is the process of oogenesis. Let us, I will be stopped at this position. Remaining part we will see next class. Thank you.